first, I'm going to marinate the chicken. Here I have around 5 pounds, a mix of chicken legs and quarters. For the seasoning, I'm using 2 teaspoons each of the following spices: salt, freshly ground pepper, cumin, thyme, rosemary, and basil. I'll add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Using your gloved hand, massage the spices and oil into the chicken, making sure all the pieces are thoroughly coated with a thick layer of marinade. When I bake or roast chicken using a pizza oven, I skip the long marination process. Instead of letting the chicken sit for hours or overnight, I place it directly in the oven right after it's marinated. After a good round of mixing, your chicken should look like this. Each piece is thoroughly coated with the marinade. Now I'm going to arrange the chicken on a baking tray, trying to fit all of it into one pan. Top it off with a bunch of rosemary. This herb is one of my favorites. Trust me, this simple addition makes all the difference. As a finishing touch, drizzle a bit more olive oil directly over the bunch of rosemary. This helps release its aromatic oils. It's also about signaling to my neighbors that something delicious is being prepared. Finally, cover it all up with aluminum foil and let's prepare the oven. Once it's at around 900 degrees Fahrenheit internally, I'll evenly distribute the coals, ensuring there's space in the middle. Then I'll gently slide the chicken into the oven, allowing it to work its flavorful magic. By the way, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any episodes. I'll be sharing 30 videos in 30 days featuring recipes using only fire and flames. Finally, I'll seal the oven door and let it cook for 30 minutes at this high heat or until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been 30 minutes and my chicken is ready. I'll take out the baking tray, peel away the aluminum foil, and this is what the chicken looks like. It's ready to eat. But wait, we're not finished yet. Discard the rosemary and baste the chicken with homemade barbecue sauce. Make sure it's evenly coated from front to back and all around. Pop the chicken back in the oven again at the same temperature, and we're gonna let it sit for 5 more minutes. It's hard to describe how good the aroma is. It's all about the perfect balance of rosemary, barbecue sauce, and olive wood. Okay, it's time to take the chicken out of the oven. Take a look at how the caramelization coats the chicken straight from the fire. That's the beauty of making barbecue chicken using a wood-fired oven. I love serving the chicken with some rice and finishing today's dinner with some parsley on top.